Storyblocks. Storyblocks Audio.
Hey guys, I'm Sourish and you're watching Sourish Tech Sari. Sorry guys for this big delay because of my exams this happened and also I just wanted to say that this topic is divs and spans. So first let's see what is div. The div tag defines a division or a section in a HTML document. The div tag is used as a container for HTML elements which is then styled with CSS or manipulated with JavaScript. Div is also used by a lot of professional editors. Let's see next what is spans. So the HTML span element is a generic inline container for phrasing contents which does not interply represent anything. It can be used to group elements for styling purposes using the class or ID attributes or because they share attributes values such as lang. Span is little difference between div. Next slide. So difference between span and div. We will understand what is the difference between span and div here. So let's see. A div is a block level element and the span is an inline element. The div should be used to wrap sections of a document while use spans to wrap small portions of texts, images, etc. The div element is used while creating CSS based layouts in HTML, whereas span element is used to stylize text. So let's see what is it. So let's start the practical and see how it works. So I'm going to just go here out of the slide and go inside my brackets. Okay, so anyway, let's start. So here I'm already prepared with a file called index.html and I'll not say this anything. I'll just start. Okay, so here I'm gonna just write its name as divs and spans. Oh no. And now let's add a div here. So guys, first let's give some style. Let's give a style attribute to div. So if I say about style attribute, is this in HTML only? So after the style attribute, you need to write CSS. CSS meaning is really like styling the whole website, which I will make a tutorial in the future, guys. So for now, let's just show you how to color of the style. Here we will write CSS. So let's just get the color of it. Let's get the color of this text which I'm gonna write in this text. It will be light green. So after that, guys, we are just gonna do here this. So after putting color green, you need to I'm gonna just type some text inside here saying H1 tab hi, I am Sourish. And this is HTML. So let's start the live preview. forgot to save. Please guys, save and work. It doesn't work if you didn't save the file. And that is big. Oh yeah, I have this thing on here. Reset. Nice. So as you can see here, we got the whole text in light green. And if I want the HTML to be black, but I don't want to configure other stuff, like I don't want to configure this whole words, and I don't want this HTML to also drop out of here to here, like that span comes in the middle. So guys, I'm thinking let's do this. So here the HTML tab, I'm not gonna do any configuration to the HTML, so that I'm going to configure the Sourish. My name I'm going to configure. Let's see that. Let's do it and see. So to configure the name, you will think that you can just use a div if you're not a editor, or if you don't know really like this HTML. You would think that I need to use div, you'll think. So like, why do we use span? I will also say. So span is an inline element, we already know, but div is a block element. It blocks. So if if the word is blocked and gone down, then it will look really weird. So let's see. So let's give it a style. Okay, so here let's give it the color of let's give it this color, guys, dark green. So it will be dark, so we can understand. Now let's save it. It should be dark green. So as you can see, this is dark green. We got some no spaces because we have not given space in the element. So I am end. Okay, so here I think I just removed this and here, and we need to give a space here, like the span tag of space. And if we save, here we go. Hi, I am Sourish, and this is HTML. If I remove here and put the div tag, you will understand what is blocking. So I'm gonna just remove this and put div here, and this is also div. Oh yeah, this is different. Here let's just put this as div, and now see what happens. So I'm gonna just save it here. Oh no, did something rust? Okay, now it's more nicer. And as you can see, hi, I am Sourish. This is gone down, and I don't want it to be. If you are writing a paragraph, like if you are writing a big paragraph which you don't want to get breaked out, and you need to just use CSS to get up again back where you were, that is not really like nice, you will think. So this comes in. This is really nice, guys, and you can use span a lot of time. So that's it in the video, guys. That's it in this video. See you guys next time.